Hello, and welcome to the Science Department Open Evening presentation. I'm Miss Stalmack, Key Stage 3 Coordinator in Science, and I'm going to talk you through all of the things you've got to look forward to in science. First of all, let's meet some of the teachers. Here is our curriculum overview for Key Stage 3. You can see that we have interleaved some important concepts across the 3 years, such as cells, which appears in organisms in Year 7, and reproduction, digestion and ecosystems in Year 8, and cells to systems in Year 9. In Year 9, GCSE is started in the summer term to allow 2 full years to study for the GCSE exams. Now we have the Key Stage 4 curriculum. All pupils follow the combined science course, which will give you 2 GCSEs unless you choose triple science, where you get 3 GCSEs and you study more topics in greater detail. For example, you can study space in summer term in Year 10 and in autumn term in Year 11. In Year 7, you will study cells and movement, particles and matter, separating mixtures, magnetism and earth, reactions, electricity, reproduction, ecology, genetics, and acids and alkalis. At college, you can study a number of courses that link to science, such as A-levels in biology, chemistry and physics, sports science, applied science, animal behaviour, and engineering. Also, many careers that our students decide to follow also involve science, like being a nurse, a doctor, a research scientist, physiotherapist, zookeeper, vet, engineer, teacher, or lecturer. In science, we complete lots of fun and interesting experiments. Here are some you could try at home. First, you could try to build the water cycle in a bag. All you need to do is draw the diagram of the water cycle, which you can research, put some water in the bag, seal it, and place it on a warm, sunny windowsill and watch the water cycle. You could make some DNA out of sweets. You could make your own pitfall trap. You might need permission though to dig a little hole in the garden. You could design a habitat for your favourite animal, or you could create a model of the Earth. Stay tuned for the upcoming demonstration of one of your future practicals.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Stalmack and I'm Key Stage 3 Coordinator at Penketh and I teach science. So this is my science lab and I'm just going to show you an investigation that you could do in September when you join us. So what we're going to investigate is how the different types of metals affect the colour of the Bunsen burner flame. So the first thing you have to do is light the Bunsen burner. So we always make sure that the hole is closed, turn the gas on when you're ready to light it, and there you've got your safety flame. So it's called the safety flame because you can see it, because if it wasn't there, you could burn yourself. Okay, so when we're doing the experiment, you have to turn it onto a roaring flame, which you may be able to hear. So it almost looks invisible. And what we're going to do is I'm going to dip this wire into some hydrochloric acid just to clean it. And the first metal we're going to look at is lithium. So this is lithium chloride, so it's mixed with some chlorine. So I'm just going to do it a bit more so that it sticks to it. Okay, and you should see a nice red flame. Okay, so that's our first one. Pretty nice. Okay. Second one, we have got this blue solid, which is copper sulfate. So it's got copper in it. So that's our next metal. So hopefully it should be a different colour. Let's have a look. Oh, there we go. So we've got a lovely green colour this time. So you would write that down in your table. Okay. Next one is, I'm just going to clean it again, is sodium chloride. So this time sodium is our metal. And then if we put it into the flame, we get a really bright orange one. Not quite as fancy, but it's still pretty nice. Okay. 2 more to go. Next one, give it a quick clean again, is calcium chloride. You might have heard of calcium before. It's in milk, it's in your bones, and it actually burns with a more reddy, orangey kind of flame. There we go. And the next one is my favourite one. It's the nicest colour, I think, and it's potassium chloride. So if we dip this in, try and get a bit more to show you, and you get a lovely pinky purple flame, or maybe lilac you could call it. Okay, there we go. And that's our experiment finished. So you would write those down in your table. I have to turn the collar back onto the safety flame, and then I'm going to turn my Bunsen burner off. Okay, hope you enjoyed the demonstration, and I hope to see you in September. Thank you.